Hi, this is Alex Tardy, a meteorologist at the National Weather Service in San Diego. Here's a short video weather briefing for the upcoming weather. We'll also take a look quickly at some of the recent rainfall that we've had in Southern California. Here are the highlights. We'll take a look at the recent rainfall, a warming trend through Monday, then a cooling trend beginning on Tuesday, with dry conditions expected through the period. Here's a look at the thunderstorm from our office yesterday, May 9th. All right, recent rainfall. A very slow-moving storm system tapped into subtropical moisture around May 5th and 6th. The rainfall that resulted was quite significant, as shown here on the map, with rainfall on Monday and Tuesday primarily, and continuing a little bit into Wednesday morning. Widespread rainfall of a quarter to half inch occurred, and as you can see, places in San Diego County and along the mountain areas such as the San Bernardino Riverside and Santa Ana Mountains had places with rainfall exceeding an inch of rain. In San Diego County, a lot of places received between a half inch and an inch of rainfall. Much needed rainfall for the dry spring that we have been observing. On Thursday, yesterday, May 9th, thunderstorms occurred across the region before the storm system finally departed. We were on the backside of the storm, so the wind flow was from north to south, and you can kind of see the depiction in the rainfall that occurred. Thunderstorms developed around Big Bear and near Wrightwood in the San Gabriel Mountains. Thunderstorms also occurred south of Idlewild near Anza and drifted south towards Borrego Springs. Here's a look at the precipitation that occurred on a rainfall map produced from the National Weather Service in San Diego. A few places received a quarter to half inch of rainfall in the stronger thunderstorms. A lot of lightning strikes as well, a lot of those being within the cloud versus cloud to ground, but there were quite a few cloud to ground lightning strikes in those areas of rainfall, mainly over the mountain areas. We talked about the warming trend. Here are the highlights broken out for different regions across extreme southwest California. You can see on the coast, we'll see that warming trend level off on Monday and then start the cooling trend. And really for most areas, including the inland areas and the mountains as well as the deserts, it looks like the peak of the heat wave will be on Monday, with both days over the weekend having a noticeable warming trend. What causes this warming trend? Well, there's a look at our old storm by the time we get into Sunday and Monday. This is a forecast map of the jet stream and weather pattern. A large ridge of high pressure, and rather strong, will build over all of California this weekend and continue through Monday before it gradually weakens as that storm system you see in the Pacific Ocean lifts across the Pacific Northwest. This basically drives the jet stream well north and consolidated across the Pacific Northwest and then dives across the Great Lakes region, leaving us high and dry and a little bit of offshore flow. Thanks for joining this video briefing. Reminder to look at the latest forecasts and weather hazards on the two links above. Previewweather.gov, that's where you'll see some of the latest and greatest weather tools depicting our weather forecast. You can also monitor the weather, including the temperatures for this weekend on the map shown here. This has been Alex Tardy from the National Weather Service in San Diego.